Hello, little cute stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your mathematics educator, and I'm again here with a new chapter, which is shape and chapter number 7. So, in today class, we are going to learn about a different shapes which we see on a daily basis in our surrounding. So, the first we have a circle. So, how can we make a circle? So have you read and if you hear the song which is Mummy ki roti gol gol, Papa ka chashma gol gol. That gol gol means your circle. Okay. Look at the pictures and count the shapes in the picture given below. So how many circles we have? One. Only one. Two. Only two. Okay. So we have two circles. Then how many cube we have? One cube. You can choose but not. Okay, only one cube. This half portion of it we can also include. So let's take two cube here. Then rectangle. So one rectangle is this chair. Then is seesaw. Two. So two rectangles we have, and square we have one and only one. So next we move forward to our exercise. Match the following. So it is a square. So where we have square, here we have square. Then triangle. Where we have triangle, triangle means is your samosa. So it is your triangle. Circle we are already discussed. Mummy ki roti gol gol, papa ka chashma gol gol. Next we have rectangle, which is your chocolates bar generally. And then we have oval, which is your egg. Okay, so we just connect this. Now match the shapes with the object. This square is, where is square? Where is square? You can say that, ma'am, there is a square type object we have. Now triangle, the tasty samosa we have. Then circle, circle is our ball. Okay, fine. Now circle is not our ball, it is a sphere. So we can say circle is this. Then we have rectangle, then we have ball, which is sphere, and our oval, which is egg. So we can match this. Join the dots and write the name of the shape in the blank boxes. So what you have to do, you have to trace these dots. So all of you pick your pencil and start tracing these dots together. So by tracing it, what will we find out? Okay, it is a square. From now, you can look at the spelling of square from here and write here. So we write square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Next we have triangle. Start tracing, students. All of you, your pencil. Start tracing like this. When you stop your tracing, what you find? It is a triangle. It means first you have to write tri, T-R-I, and then angle, A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Next, this is your mummy ki roti gol gol and papa ka chashma gol gol. It is a shape of circle, round. So what we have to write here? Circle. So in same manner, you have to complete this figure, this shape, and write it name in the box. Now we have flat shapes. Square. This is a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. A, B, C, D are corners. So it is a square with 4 sides and 4 corners. A, B, C, and D. Next, we have rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And A, B, B, C, C, D and D are the sides. Now we have triangle. A triangle has how many sides? 3. 1, 2, 3. And 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. So whenever you eat samosa, so what you have to do, you have to touch the edges, touch the corners of the samosa. So what you find, you have 3 corners in samosa. Okay, next we have circle. Circle is a round shape. Circle has no sides and no corners. In your mummy ki roti, there is no corner and there is no sides. Make more similar figures by joining the dots. So how can you make similar figures by joining the dots? So you can make join like this. Okay, so in same manner you can do this by joining these points together. You will converted this rectangle into 2 rectangles by making these 2 points together. So you will be making a triangle here. Okay, so now square. So how can you make a so you have to complete this your own. How can you make a triangle, a rectangle or a square? So by doing this, you can make a square here. By doing this, you make a rectangle here. And by doing this, you can make triangles there. Okay. Next, solid shapes. Shape, this is a solid shape which name is cube, and you will find this cube in your surrounding in a cardboard box, a dice. Okay, next we have a cuboid which is your geometrical box, your laptop. Next we have cone. Cone is for ice cream. Your birthday caps are your cone. Next we have sphere. Sphere means ball, your globe. Next we have cylinder. Cylinder is your can. Juice cans होती है ना, these are your cylindrical shape. Your battery cells are in also cylindrical shape, and your cylinder is also in cylindrical shape. The objects are around us may not be exactly like these shapes but resemble these shapes, or maybe a combination of these shapes. A cube looks like a box. It has 6 equal faces. How many faces? 6 equal faces. Cuboid. A cuboid looks like a box. It has 6 faces. Opposite faces are equal. It looks like a box, a matchstick box, a rectangular book. Okay. Now cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces: top, bottom and middle. In cylinder, what you see? You see a top, a bottom and a middle. Next, cone. A one end of a cone has circular shape. So one end, this end is in circular shape, and this point, another end is cone has a point. This have a point, a conical point. Next, sphere. Objects like balls are spheres. It has no sides and no corners. So again, we have our sphere in which no sides and no corners are there. Look at the objects of different shapes given below. Write the name of the shape that each object resembles. So this resembles cylinder. What does this resemble? I think it resembles a cuboid. This resembles a cube. It looks like your cone. This is your also cone. It looks like cylinder. It looks like sphere. So what you have to do, students, here, I already explained you which kind of shapes you have, which types of shapes you have in your previous section. So you have to relate these objects to your shapes and resemble accordingly, write their name. Shapes affect movements like rolling. Rolling objects roll. They show rolling movement. For example, your cylinder, for example, your circle, for example, your sphere. Now sliding, a flat object slide, they show sliding movements. So which flat objects you have, they are showing sliding movement. Now rolling and sliding. So this is sliding. So Take correct the objects that can roll and cross out the objects that can slide. So this is slide. So we have to cross out. This is roll. So we have to tick. This is we have leaves and okay cross out. No slide go tick, because if we see the pencil, so it is in cylindrical box. Now we have flat surface. It means cross out sliding. This is also sliding. This is cross out and this will be rolling. Now we have our worksheet. Color the pictures given along with the help of colors and shapes given in the box. So we have to color purple in triangle. Sorry, blue in triangle, dark blue. So we have triangle in this. This is look like cone. So we have cone also. No. So next we have to, for rectangle, we have to color yellow. So this is a rectangle. For circle, we have to color green. So this is a circle. This is also a circle. This is also a circle. And this is a kind of circle which is called semicircle. Half circle, it's called semicircle. First, okay, fine. So for semicircle, you have to use orange color to remove this green color from it and put orange color over there. So in same way, the colors are representing in the boxes. You have to use those colors and color this your worksheet. And with that, your chapter is ends here. Now you have to perform a lab activity, which is you are going to perform in your maths lab only. And with that, your chapters is end here. And I hope so, students, this chapter is clear to you and you enjoy this chapter. Now, I'm your mathematics educator. We'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, enjoying your day. Have a good day.